Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started in today's video, remember to subscribe, leave a like in this video, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another video, and of course remember to leave a comment in the comment section down below. I read all of them. So without further ado, let's get started. So today we're going to be playing Adopt Me Again. I'm so happy. So I'm not going to go to my private server today because I really want to see what people have and maybe try and trade people, I guess. So yeah. No, I became a parent. Okay, I want to load back into baby. I really want to be back, baby. Okay, let's take out my ox. So I'm making a neon ox right now, guys. So yeah. I'm going to teleport to the gift. I really want to see what people have. Oh, okay. No one's here. Okay. I think they're in the Luna section, I think. Oh, yeah. Some of them are, I guess. Not much. Ooh, I really like this person's outfit. It's really cute. So guys, I'm going to be giving away 4 ox boxes. All you have to do is to subscribe to my channel and leave your Roblox username in the comment section down below. And I'll add you, and then when you're online, I'll join you, and I'm going to give you the 4 ox boxes. And the rules are, of course, I told you, is you have to subscribe to my channel and leave a username, Roblox username, in the comment section down below. And whoever person is the fastest to leave, they're the winner of this giveaway. So I'm going to be doing quite a lot of giveaways. So stay tuned. So this is I think my first official giveaway that I've ever made. Yeah. So yeah. So I'm saving up money over here. Really want to buy more ox boxes. So this is I think my second video making Adopt Me, because I'm never actually made Adopt Me videos. I mostly make Tap Hell and Cards of Hell videos. So yeah. Anyways, she's going to sleep. So my ox. So in the next video, if I manage to make all my oxes full grown, I might make a video of me making my neon ox, and I might be giving away that. Just kidding. I don't really want to give away my neon ox if I actually make it. I don't think I'll make it that far because I'm not a quick neon maker. So yeah. Anyways, I'm waiting for more tasks. I wish there was more quicker. So guys, I do have my joins on right now, I think. So yeah. Come on, make it morning time. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I'm so sorry if this is a short, but sometimes I make short videos and sometimes I make long videos. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!